Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is Kinar.com. So if you are interested to know about this legitimacy, watch the video till the end because we are going to review this website and you can find unbiased review. So let's check out the legitimacy and other details of this website. And the people from United Kingdom are very curious to know about this website, as online buyers look for useful platform where they can buy their favorite and designer dresses that are not also costly. So it is another website that came into the notice of the people and they are curious to know about its legitimacy. So we are going to check out the details, and by then we are going to discuss either this is a legit or a scam store. So it was registered on 25th May 2021. Its trust score index is just 2%. We are unable to find any customer remarks and Alexa rank is just 0. It has 100% copied content from different online pages. Moreover, they have different pages for company's policy are there in the portal. No social media presence is available for this website, and they are actually dealing in female dresses, trendy dresses, especially print maxi and midi dress or something else like related to clothing available here. And the company even made an offer where one can get 7 products by buying for just 6 pieces. So you can say that you can buy the 6 products in less price. So let's check out the specification of this website. Their physical address is not mentioned. The email address which they are mentioning is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, it was launched on 25th May 2021. No physical address is mentioned, no payment methods is mentioned, but they have mentioned that you can enjoy free shipping if you order above $69. So the positive point of shopping from this store is that women can choose different dresses, great deals on best selling item. Visitor can subscribe the company's newsletter and you can enjoy free delivery on orders more than $69. The negative point of getting from this store is that no address is given on the portal. Plagiarized content is posted on the portal, a recently published portal, and had bad trust index score and fake email ID is available. As no customer reviews are available anywhere on the platform or any other social media platform, even the entire content posted on Kinar different pages is plagiarized and copied from different online portals, and buyers need to stay educated while going online shopping, otherwise fake portal like this can easily make them fool. So in our final verdict, we can say that the Kinar that claims to be website portal is a fake site posting copy content, not sharing company details, offering cheap rate items, all are sign of fake portal only. So instead of becoming fool, it's better to stay away this website because it's a fake website, and you may get lost your money and you may get scam on this website. And if you any of you got scam on this website, please do share your reviews regarding this website. We love to hear from you.